All right, before we get into the cleaning part, I had quite a few things on my list to get done. So I needed to jump in the shower. I had to give myself a hair treatment. I had to redo my nails because a couple of them were breaking, and my doorbell rang, and wouldn't you know it, my Green Chef box arrived, and I was as happy as can be because, you know, I have an issue about remembering to take out dinner. It's like a thing of mine. You know, Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company. Meal plans include paleo, plant-powered, keto, and balanced living, and they are so good. If you look in this box, everything is in there. It comes packed with all the bags and all the protein, and you literally just have to walk over to your stove and get to cooking. Green Chef lets you choose from a wide array of easy to follow recipes with select organic ingredients. The recipes are quick and easy to follow with step-by-step instructions, chef tips, photos, and guide you along. I mean, literally, you just have to either read the instructions or follow the picture, which I'm a visual learner. I live for the pictures, and they're like so bright and vibrant, and I'm like, okay, Chef Danielle's about to come into play. But everything is handpicked and delivered right to your door, and ingredients do come pre-measured, perfectly proportioned, and honestly, they're mostly prepped. It's really simple. So we're gonna go ahead and start preparing everything. Tonight we are having this bomb like shrimp meal. It was like an Italian shrimp, and you guys know Green Chef, because they pick all these delicious ingredients, it honestly kind of forces you to step outside the box, and you really get together with some really great ingredients that you would never have thought to even put together. You enjoy clean ingredients you can trust, seasonally sourced for peak freshness. And another thing that I really enjoy right now is that Green Chef does offer contactless delivery to your doorstep for easy home cooking. And right now it's super important to just, just kind of stay away from everybody. Green Chef does make cooking easy with dinner options that work around your lifestyle and not the other way around. So, I mean, look at this meal. It was so good. So very good. So, if you do use code ADD Diaries to get $80 off your first month box plus free shipping on your first box, go to greenchef.us/ADD Diaries to redeem for more details. So, yeah, it was good. Now I need to get in the shower because your girl was looking rough. So onwards and upwards, let's get cleaning. All right, so the first part of this cleaning video, which I did not think this through, I thought this was going to be not as long as it was. So this ended up taking me about 2 hours. So this video is not going to be a deep clean and everything. This is basically how me and my kids, we all come together at the end of the night after dinner and we clean up. So, but I ended up deciding I wanted to clean my sofa, my armchair. So anyways, I have the Hoover carpet cleaner. I got it from Target, and you guys see me use it on like area rugs and stuff. And I've been wanting to clean the living room furniture for quite some time, and obviously by looking at this picture you could tell it was very much needed. So I went through, this was not an easy task, just because they are very fluffy, I guess. I had to pull one end and drag the handle down, but look at all that dirt build up. I could not believe it. There was some staining. I have kids. We live here. This isn't like a no butt prints on the couch type of living room, So I was well aware that it needed to be clean, but all the dirt and build up. So I use that, I think it's the Hoover brand with the Febreze in it, and I've been using that. I love it. It's very fresh smelling, and I just went through all the different pieces on the couch. Before I did start cleaning them, I did vacuum out everything, and I wanted to show you, this is my sofa. So there's a lot of these little stains from drinks and stuff like that, and I know some people said I could have taken off the couch covers, but then I was afraid I couldn't have gotten them on, so I was like, let me just try it this way. And let me tell you, this was such a good workout. And now I know why they charge as much as they do, because their time is worth all the money. So I'm taking off the couch cushions, stepped on Benny's bone. I hate that bone. I step on it all the time. It's the equivalent of a giant Lego. And look at what's in my sofa. How embarrassing. I actually did find my remote. We haven't had a remote in 4 months. And that's all the big chunks I pulled out. I'm going to go ahead and keep that hair tie because hair ties are gold around here. But I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum up the, base of the couch and get all the crumbs and dust and everything, and start vacuuming the actual couch cushions. And yeah, so this, carpet cleaner did come with 3 different head attachments. I found it easier to go through and just kind of spray it down with a little bit of the solution. So I went through the wash setting first, and then after I gave it a good wash and scrub, I flipped the nozzle and went through the rinse cycle after that. And that's where you'll kind of see all the dirt coming up. But it did take me a long time, but I was really happy that I did it. Tedious, but the house smelled really good. And I was like, you know what? I really need to keep up better with this. Be mindful if this may not work for your fabric or whatever, do a patch test, all the things. But you will see there's a spot on my couch that I didn't really notice until I cleaned it, and it like popped out, and I was like, what the hell? But the very next day, once it was dry, the spot was not visible anymore. So this was kind of messy. I just did like the armchair, the arm part, and like the cushions. I didn't do the side of the couch because I was over it. Not even gonna lie. So yeah, I just went through and I made sure I got on top there because Benny likes to lay up there. If you have a dog, you guys already know the dogs like to like roam the couch, and I let Benny go on the sofa. My mom's like, I can't believe you let him up there. Well, he's fine. Let the poor guy live. So yeah, I'm gonna go through and just, if you guys could see how much dedication this took. I was trying, and then it is what it is, but very satisfying. Wait till you see this water. Wait. Okay, so we are all finished, and I wanted to kind of show you that. I think was just a little smudge, but everything came out really, really nice. It took about, I don't know, probably about 14 hours for everything to dry, but once it was fine. It wasn't, sticky or crunchy or anything, and I felt like they were even more fluffier. Some parts were just stained. The kids have like marker and stuff like that, but I was really happy with it. This furniture set we got from like Ashley Furniture on clearance, but we like it. It works for us. Maybe one day we'll get, different stuff, but for right now, it's all good. It doesn't bother us at all. This is that spot I told you that came out when I was cleaning, but once it dried, the spot went away. So I'm not too sure what that is, but I was like, oh man, you do these little projects and then look at this dog. Look at him. You do these little projects and you're like, oh man, hope I didn't ruin anything. So, all right, here we go. Look at this. Look at this. That's just nasty. That's just real nasty. But yeah, so all right, now I get all the kids on deck here. Everybody has something to do. I grew up cleaning with my mom. Nobody, we all live there. We all clean up. So that's why I have all the troops. Even Benny's looking around to see what he can get into. So, all 3 of the girls, we all tackle a project, clearing off the tables, putting the stuff away. Like we still have the Green Chef bag out from when we made the dinner earlier, and Rhea does the dishes. So if we takes out the garbage, and Becky will pick up all of Benny's toys and like clear out and put the stuff in rooms that it belongs to. So, like I said, I'm very big on making my kids help out. I think it helps teach them to be responsible and to, my mom always said, if you clean it and you take good care of it, you'll cherish it more. And I never want anybody to walk in my house and be like, oh, it's a nice house, but she's a slob. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and just kind of wipe off the table. I love waking up to a clean table, no dishes in the sink, and a wipe down counter. I feel like if I can wake up to a fresh slate in the morning, like life is good. So I'm going to let some music play, and don't forget to check out the Green Chef link down below if you guys want to get yourself on that great service. Everything is so delicious, and don't forget to subscribe. All right.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, burning somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. I feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do.